హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నా వీడియోస్ మరికొంతమందికి రీచ్ అవ్వడానికి ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు మై ఛానల్. ఈరోజు సి లెటర్స్తో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యే కొన్ని వర్డ్స్ని చూపిస్తున్నాను ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యు లుక్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. కర్సివ్ లెటర్ సి, C letter O, words. The word starts with C. All of you look carefully. First one is calculate. C-A-L-C-U-L-A-T-E, calculate. Second one is calibrate. C-A-L-I-B-R-A-T-E, calibrate. Campaign. All of you look carefully. C-A-M-P-A-I-G-N, campaign. Fourth one is candidate. C-A-N-D-I-D-A-T-E, candidate. Carriage. C-A-R-R-I-A-G-E, carriage. Celebrate. C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-E, celebrate. Compartment. C-O-M-P-A-R-T-M-E-N-T, compartment. Chemical. C-H-E-M-I-C-A-L, chemical. Chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. Charge. C-H-A-R-G-E, charge. Compare. C-O-M-P-A-R-E, compare. Comfort. C-O-M-F-O-R-T, comfort. Category. C-A-T-E-G-O-R-Y, category. Last one is cheerful. C-H-E-E-R-F-U-L, cheerful. These are the C letter words. All of you look carefully. First one is calculate. Second one is calibrate. Third one is campaign. Fourth one is candidate. Fifth one is carriage. Sixth one is celebrate. Seventh one is compartment. Eighth one is chemical. Ninth one is chicken. 10th one is charge. 11th one is compare. 12th one is comfort. 13th is category. 14th is cheerful. These are the C letter words. The words that begin with C. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.